Hello, I'm Mariana King, and this is Where the Sidework Ends.
Today I'm making sweet and spicy ginger habanero ribs that you can easily cook in your oven. Like anything approaching barbecue, it all starts with a great dry rub. For the dry rub, you need 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup mild paprika, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika and 1 tablespoon of chipotle chili powder, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of powdered onion, 2 tablespoons of powdered ginger, and 2 teaspoons of powdered thyme. Mix these ingredients together and store in an airtight container. Place 2 racks of pork baby back ribs, about 3 pounds, on a rack inside a baking sheet. Sprinkle salt liberally over both sides of the ribs and allow to rest for 30 minutes to an hour. Once the salt has had time to season the meat, put the liquid smoke in a spray bottle and spray about a teaspoon of liquid smoke evenly across the ribs. You don't need a lot here, a little bit goes a long way. Decant about a cup of your dry rub into a shaker and generously coat both sides of the ribs, patting it in, and allow the ribs to dry brine in the refrigerator overnight. Allow the ribs to come to room temperature while you preheat your oven to 250 degrees. Tightly wrap each rack of ribs in foil and roast in a 250-degree oven on the rack in the baking sheet for 2 hours. You can certainly kick up your favorite supermarket barbecue sauce with a little bit of ginger and habanero, but if you want to make one from scratch, this is what I do. Sauté half a cup of finely chopped onion in a large flat-bottom skillet, then add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 4 teaspoons of minced fresh ginger, and 1 teaspoon of finely chopped habanero pepper, and sauté until soft. To that, add a cup of apricot preserves, a 1/4 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, with 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of molasses, a tablespoon of brown sugar, a teaspoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of dry rub. And don't worry, all of these ingredients are listed below and also on the website wherethesideworkends.com. Simmer the sauce until it is a glazed consistency, blend it until smooth, and set aside 1 cup of the sauce to glaze the ribs. After 2 hours, remove the foil and lay the ribs on the rack. Return to the oven until a toothpick can slide easily through the meat, about 1.5 to 2 hours more. Once the ribs are done cooking, turn on your broiler, glaze the meaty side of the ribs generously with the reserved barbecue sauce, and broil until the glaze starts to caramelize, about 1 to 2 minutes. Serve these ribs with extra barbecue sauce and plenty of napkins on the side. These are great alone with frosty glasses of sweet tea, and they're always popular at a cookout or a potluck. This barbecue sauce is also delicious to glaze barbecue chicken wings, which would be excellent for a tailgate. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you again soon, where the Sidework Ends.